Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. This was sent by Cielo Foods. They make, what are they? They're bowl varieties. I've tried their menudo and their pozole, and it's really quite good. I think this is something new, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Nice. So I've been hoping to try some of this new stuff for a while, and finally it showed up, and I'm really thankful for that. Thanks, man. And the first one we got to show you is this. This is going to be, I believe, a seafood, MARISCOS. I think that means seafood. And yeah, if it's anything like the other ones, it's going to be really good. So thank you. And the other variety is a very, very popular flavor profile right now. That is BIRRIA. I believe it's either usually a beef or a goat meat stew. And what a lot of people are doing is they've got food trucks, and they will take instant noodles, pour it over it, it'll hydrate with it, and it's really quite good. I've never had the real, authentic, actual BIRRIA before, and I really want to try that soon. But yeah, this sounds interesting. As you can see, there's pictures along with these, and they're what I do is I'll do the unboxing, hold off on posting it, and I'll do the reviews of products such as these. What the problem is with coming out with the posts like right away, I'm just on the cusp of being 200 reviews ahead. That's 200 posts. So say today I posted number 5,287. I think the last one I did was 5,484. So yeah, I'm right there. It's kind of a tricky deal because I'm 200 days ahead. I post one a day. If I'm doing a top 10 list, I'm not posting on that day. So yeah, but when I do it this way, at least I can show you what I did with it, and you'll get to see that in a bit of time. That's kind of how everything rolls here. But yeah, cool. BIRRIA and seafood. Awesome. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And yeah, check these out. I know they're in Southern California. And like I said, there's also a pozole and a menudo variety. So check them out. Have a good one. Bye.